She said, "Daddy shark, do 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 do." Daddy shark. What? Whoa!
Can't touch it. Can't touch it.
You're okay, baby. You're okay. Did it scare you? Yeah. You're okay, baby. Butterfly. Oh! Oh! Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are in Golden Gate Park in San Francisco, and we are going to be going to the California Academy of Science. My phone is ringing. 1 second. So as I was saying, is that we are back in San Francisco, and we are going back to the California Academy of Science, where we actually, last time we were here, we got a membership to the Academy. So we need to make sure, you know, although we are Disney annual pass holders, we take advantage of that, but we also need to take advantage of, I think we're also part of something else that we don't really go to as much as well, at the Exploratorium.
I fall for the deal.
She's wasting my money.
Nope, it's not. It's not that bad if you go.
Yeah.
Like quarterly. So.
Right, quarterly, I guess. But at least we make it up from all the Disney trips that we go to, and we take advantage of all those. What do you see? What are you doing, Zania? You see a fish? That's not the, what kind of noise does a fish make, Zalia? Do you know what kind of noise they are?
Fishes.
They don't really make noise. But can you go like this? Fish don't really make noise, but do you know what their mouths do? Can you go like this? Can you do that, Leah? Can you go?
Butterflies up there.
Butterflies!
Why is the butterflies
So
up
Leah
there?
has been loving butterflies lately. Do you see the butterflies, Leah?
There's a green one.
Yeah. Woo! See the butterflies? We are back in the rainforest. It is like last time.
It's not hot yet.
Pretty humid. It's pretty stuffy in here. But
It's gonna die a little.
we're here on a weekday this time, so it is a lot less people. Do you hear that? Do you hear the bats? Look! Zaya! There's some big bats! Oh! Oh my gosh!
I don't like any of this.
I scared you? You see a butterfly? You see it? Yeah, where is it? Where is it? Goodbye. She found one, Mom. Right here.
Oh, right there.
That's what that streak was about. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. You want to touch it, Zalia? You want to touch it? No. Okay. Oh, it's coming! Right here! This is a butterfly! No.
All the kids look.
What? Whoa!
Can't touch it.
You're okay, baby. You're okay. Did it scare you? Yeah. You're okay, baby. Butterfly. Oh!
So she remembers this from the last time we were here. She knows one of them smells like coffee. She knows she don't like that one, cinnamon. This one, vanilla. She says she likes this one. What does this smell like? What does it smell like? That's our girl, coffee lover. This entire floor, she's very concerned. We've seen frogs, freaked her out. Turtles, freaked her out. Yes, everything is.
Whoa! What is that? That's so cool. Do you like it, Talia? Was it sleeping? Okay. What's wrong? What's wrong? You just realized it's an insect? Alright, let's go. It is way too hot and humid in here. We are indoors in a man-made rainforest, and my legs are sweating in my pants. So we need to go down probably to...
legs are sweating?
Yeah, I'm sweating because it's so hot. But we are about to go down to the aquarium because it's going to be cooler down there for sure. Look at that.
Wow!
Look at that giant catfish.
That'll make good dinner. Come
Oh
on.
my goodness, and my hand's like...
Oh,
I know, come on, girlfriend. Say bye, fish.
We're in here because it's a new exhibit. But what you'll learn about us is we don't like to read. This is a lot of information to take in. Well, we have children and I'm not going to have time to intake everything. Oh,
Very true.
she says, did I know it's a rhino? See, look at this. See? What is this? A rhinoceros.
Is this a rhinoceros?
It must be Filipino.
Rhino.
A rhinoceros.
Can you say rhinoceros?
Rhinoceros.
There you go.
Rhinoceros sounds nice too, though.
Yeah, it
I
does.
like
It
rhinoceros.
sounds like a dinosaur.
Sounds like a dinosaur.
Wow, what is that, Talia? Whoa, it's like, oh, that's an owl's claw.
What's this one?
Ooh, this is a python skin. Yeah, these are real.
Oh, they're not.
No, they are. They have to be. This is the Academy of Science. I don't think they would just put something fake out.
This about owls.
No, that's an otter. Sea otter.
Sea otter. Remember when I was a baby, I touched the sea otter thing?
Yeah,
You
well,
did?
we went to go visit them at the Monterey Bay Aquarium.
This is
A wet.
Alright, so this is pretty creepy. So, let's say we
creepy, it's
skin a bird like, from side to side open. This is how big a bird would be. This is how big a human would be. And then if I were to back up, we have really bad an elephant. That is crazy. That's awesome. What'd you find, babe?
Okay, so what I'm learning is we need a bigger house.
What? You got that from the sun?
Yes, because we need a bigger closet to keep our clothes longer. That's what I learned from this sign. You should keep your clothes forever. Yep.
Very informational.
Yep.
Ooh, can we know why?
Oh, because clothing protects our body, and clothes, they go from the sales rack to the landfill at record speed, and that ain't good for the environment. It has a lasting negative impact on our environment, so we need to buy quality over quantity and keep our clothes forever. So you gotta buy some timeless pieces and just keep them forever, or you donate. Garage sale, mostly donate, but
Goodwill.
yeah. But I think we need a bigger closet.
Yeah, but nice shoes though.
They're not real. They ain't real leopard.
So, as we have mentioned in the past, Zoran and I went to college out here in San Francisco, so we attended San Francisco State University, and you know, we lived out here for a little bit actually as well, and something we did actually, I keep saying actually, something we did a lot was you get boba. So we are going to be going to one of our old favorites, Tea Pumps, and we're going to be getting some milk tea with boba. okay? Come here. Come here, Zane.
Wait, wait.
Zane, look, come here. Turn to me. Alright guys, so we just had dinner with Erica and Alex, and we ate at Santang where we had the best Korean fried chicken.
Is it Korean?
There. I think it's like a Chinese Korean restaurant, so that's Korean influenced chicken, fried chicken. But now we are at the mall and we are trying this new place called Matcha
Cafe Mako.
Cafe Mako.
I already messed mine up, but it's matcha and vanilla
half
soft
matcha,
serve.
yeah.
Erica
How
got
is
just
it?
matcha, Zayd got just vanilla. So we're trying all combinations here.
And they have the option to put gold on.
It says 24 karat,
thing.
24K gold for
I don't-
$4 more.
I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, seems kind of silly. And they said it don't taste like anything.
Yeah, so it's just for the gram. But we are going to go ahead and close the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!